Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest update released by BSNL company regarding telecom operators. That means homogeneous telecom infrastructure companies and tech companies. Friends, in business line, BSNL 4G services to result in 50,000 crores windfall to Indian infra and tech frames. Friends, this is very good for what are the stocks we already picked and they are giving good rally also. And friends, I already mentioned about on infrastructure side and core side software companies also. Friends, on infrastructure side, we already told about Indus Towers. Previously, its name as Bharti Infratel, and next one is HFCL, which gives services and manufacturing of optical cables for Indian telecoms, especially for Jio also. And going further, ITI and Subex, which partnered with Tech Mahindra company to give their best to telecom operators throughout the world and India for their blockchain strategies. And going further, this will promote 5G services and 5G technologies for homogeneous Indian companies also. This I told previously, and I at our picked companies gives a good run and good rally. And with this 50,000 crores is not a small amount to get for the companies like HFCL and telecom operating companies. So friends, if you see, this would be the first time companies such as TCS, Tech Mahindra, Sterlite Technologies and Telecommunication Consultant India Limited, ITI Limited, these all are the communication companies which get good offers for 4G solutions. And friends, under Tech Mahindra we can see Subex Limited for the blockchain operations and telecom service operators to provide work for their network problems. And the oldest TEMA also suggested in a Narendra Modi sir's letter that BSNL 4G rolled out would also lead to domestic availability of 5G in the country. After this, they give good support for indigenous projects for their 5G rollout also. So friends, with this, they are expecting like in fact BSNL should allow to pursue 4G immediately, at least by up to 70 to 80%, and remaining should kept for domestic industries. So friends, we expect this is very good opportunity for the companies. And I already said previously BSNL invites applications for 4G rollout, but today they announced the value around 50,000 crores, and the bids were total of 57,000 sites. 50,000 for BSNL, for 7,000 for MTNL, that is Maharashtra, Mumbai Telecom Nigam Limited, I think. For that also they invited bids. So with this we can expect this bid will close by 2-3 months, I think, and they will announce the company names also. Then if you think if it telecom Indus Towers or HFCL or Sterlite Technologies for manufacturing cable manufacturing, so we can expect a good revenue will generate in this telecom manufacturing and core software companies. So BSNL appeal for launching 4G by upgrading its existing also not allowed as part of equipments are supplied by China vendors JTE, even though it is providing 2G and 3G services with the same equipments. It's previously BSNL asked for government, they are taking from other countries support for the software and all those things, but Indian government doesn't allow that, and still Indian government itself said we will provide you the best trusted list of infrastructure companies, and for the protection, Indian government protection, we will provide best infrastructure telecom companies, so you can buy products from there. So these all things are looking very good for HFCL and Subex companies, and like Sterlite Technologies, and Tejas Network also. Tejas, one of the Tejas Network also one of the telecom infrastructure company. It will provide services. So this is very good to hear this news. So I think that's why today HFCL given good rally, and Indus Towers also hits 52-week high, and going further our Subex also hits 10% up. So thank you very much friends for your support, and following my channel. Please subscribe my channel, share my channel videos friends. Thank you.